Have you been called recently to make an investment in something your heart desires? Do you feel the need to respond or feel this internal tug to be drawn towards something? Have you been like super emotional on the highs and the lows trying to decide if this investment is the one for you? If so, you need to watch this video because what we're going to do is we're going to use emotional freedom tapping to help you overcome fear so that you can make an aligned decision. I'm so excited to have you joining me today. If you're new to EFT, it stands for Emotional Freedom Techniques, also known as tapping. Literally and simply put, you're tapping through different meridian points to tap out negative energy and replace it with positive suggestions that helps you to feel energetically aligned and super high vibe. I use emotional freedom tapping for literally everything, and I use it pretty much every day because energy is everything, and we have to make sure that we're protecting and taking care of our energy as well. So don't worry, if you're new, you get to just follow along with me and use emotional freedom tapping to clear your energy and to put in positive suggestions that are going to help you step into your next level and literally are going to help you feel so amazing. As we go through the tapping session, you may notice that you burp or yawn or feel really tired. Some people sweat. All of that's normal. It's just our body's way of moving energy. When you think of nature, in nature, water has to move down a stream because still water becomes toxic. Same thing with negative energy or limiting beliefs inside of our body. We have to move it out before it becomes toxic for us. So I'm going to help you do just that. Let's dive in and get started. All right, guys, first things first, I'm going to ask you to get in touch with how you're feeling about this investment. If you're at a 0, you're probably feeling like, yeah, I feel amazing. This is great. I know this is my next best step. I'm ready to go. 10 being like, I feel a lot of fear, limiting beliefs are coming up. I'm not sure if I should do this. Then if you're anything above a 3, I'm going to ask you to stick with me so that we can tap that out. All right. First things first, I'm going to ask you to ground yourself. I want you to take 3 deep breaths. That was 1, 2, 3. Awesome. All right, guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to dive in. We're going to start with this karate chop point. And all I'm going to ask you to do is repeat after me as we go through these different meridian points, and we'll be good to go. All right, as we're tapping too, I want you to continue to breathe. Don't hold your breath. And I want you to make sure that you are really thinking of all of the emotions and the limiting beliefs that are coming up and really holding tight to those as we're tapping, okay? So let's dive in. Ready to go? And let's get started. Even though I feel a lot of fear around the next best step, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Great job. Keep breathing. Even though I feel a lot of fear around making this investment, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though my anxiety is starting to come up, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I don't always trust myself to make good decisions, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I wonder what the next best step should be, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I worry that I'll make the wrong decisions, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I wonder what the future holds and I can't even enjoy the present, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though it feels like I won't be able to forgive myself if I make the wrong decision, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though this feels like a pretty hefty investment, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I wonder if I'll be able to maintain the investment financially, I deeply and completely love, and accept myself. Even though I wonder if I'll be able to continue with the investment time-wise, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel like this investment is way out of my comfort zone, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. And even though I like my comfort zone and kind of would rather stay there, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel so much pressure to make the exact right decision, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I'm annoyed that I'm even overwhelmed with having to make decisions, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though this investment feels huge and scary, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I've been thinking about this for a while and I don't have a clear-cut answer yet, I deeply and I completely love and accept myself. Take a deep breath in. All right. Now I want you to get in touch with that emotion again. 0 being like, yep, I'm ready to go. I know this investment is in alignment. I know I feel great. And then 10 being like, yeah, I still am like, whoa, no, I don't even know if I should be taking this. I don't trust myself to make this decision. This feels scary. This feels like my anxiety is stirring, all the things. I want you to rate yourself again, thinking about this upcoming investment. And then I want you, if you are below a 2 or around 1, 2, I want 0, 1 or 2, I want you to stick with me because we're going to tap into positive suggestions. If you are above a 2 and still feeling really kind of unsure about the investment, I'm going to ask that you rewind this and continue to tap it out, okay? Know that your body is paying attention. Your body gives you tons of direction, but I want you to really tune in with your emotions. I want you to tune in to those beliefs, and I want you to continue to tap that out if need be. If you're ready to move forward, let's go ahead and tap in those positive suggestions so that we can get you going, feeling confident, and just ready to make an aligned decision. All right, we're going to start again with the karate chop point. I make wonderful decisions. There's no such thing as a bad decision because everything works in my favor. This investment feels good for me. The reason I keep thinking about it is because I'm excited for what's next. This investment could open amazing doors for me. I've been led to this opportunity for a reason. What's desired by me is destined for me. And I'm so excited to be able to see the entire thing through. I trust myself. I love myself, and I deserve to invest in myself. When I invest in myself, the return is amazing. I don't need to fear because money is made every single day, which means that money is a renewable resource, which means that I have plenty of opportunities to receive more abundance into my life. And because of that, I can feel at peace knowing that I get to make decisions from a place of alignment. I'm so excited because I'm creating opportunities that I deeply, wholeheartedly desire and deserve. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I don't know about you guys, but when I do tapping, and this is your first time, you'll start to see it the more you do it, I feel like a whole new person after. I can feel my body moving it out. And then I can feel like better. Even if you notice my voice gets quieter as I'm tapping it out. And then when I'm tapping in the affirmations and the positive suggestions, I'm like, let's take on this. Let's make this next step. I feel great. And just like I feel well, I hope that you're feeling amazing also. You are so powerful. And this is your opportunity to be able to step into your power confidently and unapologetically. And I'm so excited to see what your next step will be.